Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to switch between various views, access the help option, and view requests based on categories in the People Allocation app within KEBS. Once the user navigates to the People Allocation app, he or she can view the allocation requests segregated based on their statuses. The user can also change the view of the landing page by clicking on the list option, and the user can change between the list and the tile view. The user can access help and support through clicking on the more options and selecting the help button. Here, all the FAQs will be answered. Thank you for watching.